In this video, we are going to solve a problem based on magnetic moment of complex. The magnetic moment of an octahedral cobalt-2 complex is 4. The electronic configuration of the complex is, generally students, as soon as they see this 4, they think that there should be 4 unpaired electrons, and they wrongly predict. The magnetic moment, that is spin only magnetic moment, is given by this formula, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. I go for that. I substitute 1. If you check, the answer will be around 1.8. When there is one unpaired electron, I get around 1.8. When there are 2 unpaired electrons, I will get around 2.89. 3.9 for 3 unpaired electrons. So compare this here. For 3 unpaired electrons, I get magnetic moment around 4. I have considered only spin only. There may be spin orbit coupling. Because of that, there may be some additional magnetic moment. So when I say 4, it doesn't mean that there are 4 unpaired electrons. It should be 3. So I have to go for the electronic configuration in which there are 3 unpaired electrons. Since it is cobalt 2 plus, the number of electrons in d orbital will be 7. But they have not mentioned whether it is low spin or high spin complex. There is possibility for low spin as well as high spin. It depends on the ligands that are attached with cobalt. They have not mentioned that. To find out, they have given magnetic moment as the clue. So now I go for the electronic configuration. This gets split into T2G and EG. I have to place the 7 electrons here. I go for high spin complex first. The field is weak, so 5 here, like this. So in T2G, there are 5 electrons and EG 2 electrons. In that case, the number of unpaired electron, it is 3. So the magnetic moment will be around 3.8 or 3.9. If you go for spin orbit coupling, then it will be around 4. If I go for low spin complex, then I have to place 6 here. I have to take 1 to EG. Sorry, this is small e. There is only one unpaired electron. For that, the magnetic moment will be around 1.7 to 8. Because of spin orbit coupling, it cannot increase by another 2 units. It is impossible. So the electronic configuration should be this one. This is low spin complex. There is only one unpaired electron, so this is wrong. Is there any possibility for this electronic configuration? No. T2G has to be filled first, then EG. Suppose if it is tetrahedral complex, then EG will be filled first, then T2G will be filled. But they have clearly mentioned it is octahedral complex, so this is not possible. What about this? Even though the number of unpaired electron it is 3, the arrangement it is wrong. You have to fill the orbital singly, that is in the high spin complex, then you have to pair. While pairing, you cannot place one electron in T2G and another one in EG. You have to pair in T2G, then you have to go for EG. So that is not possible. So the answer is T2G 5 electrons, EG only 2 electrons.